So that's why the Goswamis, they have described this Madhur Rati. The Madhur Rati of the gopis, that stands on its own as supreme amorous love relationship with Krishna and the gopis. But then there's something called Samanjasa Madhur Rati. Then there's something called Sadharani. Sadharani means common, ordinary love, like Kubja. Kubja is Shupornika. Shupornika, the sister of Ravana, who got kind of a nose operation. She got a nose operation, an ear operation by Lakshman in Treta Yuga. She came back in the Dwapar Yuga at the end as Kubja, Trivakra. Then Krishna, he made her very beautiful when he went to Mathura, and then he enjoyed with her one afternoon to fulfill her desires, which she had in her heart. She had amorous, intimate desires for Ramchandra in the Madhur Rati, Shringar Rati. From millions of years, she was cherished millions of years, from Treta Yuga to Dwapara Yuga. The Shupornika is cherishing a desire. And because when one contacts Bhagavan in any form, one's desires and wish will be fulfilled. But what time frame, what time reference, and by which avatar? So Krishna is the ultimate fulfiller. As one place it says in Isopanishad, Krishna is a self-sufficient philosopher who has been fulfilling everyone's desires from time immemorial. There's one Sanskrit phrase, Sarva Kamadi, or I forget. Very beautiful English. So then when she came into Krishna Lila, then her wish was fulfilled.